Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Orchard Ridge, and now I'm going to show you a first floor classic Allington floor plan. This is a 1-bedroom floor plan, 829 square feet. It's a very popular floor plan. It does provide you with one of our largest kitchens in the community. Appliances are standard: full-size fridge with ice maker, dishwasher, garbage disposal, built-in microwave oven, and electric range. Standing in the kitchen now, you can see your dining room area just right inside your front door. The doors to the left are your HVAC closet doors. And this door right inside your front door is your oversized coat closet. Since we're on the first floor, the closet runs under the steps of the apartment above, so it gives you additional storage. This floor plan does come on second floor as well. There are a few differences with the second floors. Your kitchen is laid out just slightly different, but you don't lose any storage. You do gain a window on the second floor above your stairwell. On the first floor, you do have a patio. Second floor, you would have a balcony. Off of your patio, you do have a storage closet. The second floor storage closet is additionally large because it sits on top of your foyer. You can see your laundry closet is at a great location in between your bedroom and your bathroom, and that is a full-size washer and dryer. We'll make our way into the extra large bathroom. Really nice size vanity, large mirror, tub, lots of wall space if you would want to hang anything additionally for linens. We'll make our way into the bedroom. Nice windows that let in a lot of natural light into your apartment. Very large walk-in closet. Lots of additional storage here. This is actually our smallest 1-bedroom floor plan, but with all of the features, it is one of our more popular. If you would like any additional information about this floor plan, including availability and pricing, please contact the office at 610-970-6425 or visit our website at www.orchardridgeapartments.com. Thank you.